Do you want to know how to delete Instagram search suggestion when typing? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in the process. So before we open the Instagram app, make sure that your Instagram is up to date. If not, just go to your Play Store and update the app. Now let's just head on and click on the Instagram right here to open it, and if you are on the home page or any other page, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, so it will be on your profile page. After that, let's just click on the three bar line at the top right hand corner, click on settings right here and just tap this in the search bar so we can search for recent searches and click on that. And to basically delete the Instagram search suggestion, you just have to click on this clear all, or you can also individually delete your recent searches. So for example, just click on this X, the little X icon beside your particular search that will be deleted. If you have a lot of searches, you can clear them all at once by clicking on this clear all button. So take note that you won't be able to undo this if you clear your search history. You may still see accounts you have searched for as suggestion result. So just click on a clear all if you really want to make that decision, and that will clear your search history or all your recent searches. That is how you can basically delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any question or comments about the topic we covered today, we do love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.